Today we're diving into the battle of the laundry detergents, Nellie's laundry soda versus leading brand laundry strips. Here's why Nellie takes the crown. Number 1, pure concentrated cleaning power. With Nellie's laundry soda, you're getting concentrated cleaning power in every tablespoon. No added starches or fillers to weigh you down. Just 1 tablespoon of Nellie's is all you need to tackle even the toughest laundry stains. Number 2, no PVA, no problem. Unlike some laundry strips out there, Nellie's laundry soda is free from PVA, which can leave a residue on your clothes and contribute to microplastic pollution. Nellie's has only 4 ingredients that are safe for your skin and the planet. Number 3, cost efficiency at its finest. When it comes to cost per load, leading brand laundry strips recommend using 2 strips for larger loads, resulting in a cost of around $1 per load. Meanwhile, with Nellie's, all you need is 1 tablespoon, resulting in a cost per load of around 32 cents. So there you have it. Nellie's laundry soda takes the crown with its pure concentrated cleaning power, PVA-free formula, and unbeatable cost efficiency. Try our laundry starter bundle today and see what all the hype is about.